Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here, we're grateful for everything, everyone, and all that Jesus does for us every single day, okay? We do digital budgeting as well as anything to do with budgeting, savings, sinking funds, all the things, zero-based budgets. I'm a biweekly single payer who likes to digital budget. We also do some cash stuffing currently of our variable expenses because I'm able to save a little bit more money doing it that way. So the light may get weird because it's getting late, and let's just hope we'll be okay for now. Um, so let's just get started. Today we'll be closing out our paycheck number 2 of September. Happy October, y'all. It's actually October 1st today. You probably won't see this video until October 2nd, but T is what T is. Let's get started. So here is our paycheck number 2 for September. It went from 922 to 10.5 bills. That's what it's covering. So let's go over to our Capital One. Yeah, you can stay right there and see where we left off. So we have $1 for Navy Federal that came out. That was orange for us. Down here, everything in an orangey or peachy color means that we knew we scheduled it for it to come out, but it hadn't come out at the time that we did our budget. So we make everything that has come out bright green. And when our entire line of paycheck is bright green, we know that all of our expenses that we planned for that paycheck have come out. So that was the dollar we saw right there. And then 2714, Capital One, that was for our security system. So 2714, there's a 2714. Now that'll be bright green because it came out. Then we have 10141, which was the cell phone. We had already marked that off. Then we have 7560, what is that? Oh, that was the Ultra credit card bill. So we had bought some face stuff, and there's a 7560, and we can mark that in green because that has cleared our bank account. Then we have 232.59, which is the other half of our car payment because we split that car payment down here in debt. And here's 232.59, and that can be bright green as well. Now we have our mortgage that went through 1225.96. Here we go at the top, 1225.96. We can make that green. Then we have $10. Oh, these are newer. 43.20. We'll come back to these two. $43.20, which was another part. Now, anything in blue is actually something that automatically pays. I saw that it automatically paid, and then I paid it right back through. It automatically comes out of my credit card, and I paid it right back through my account because it's been budgeted for. So that came out. So these are monies that $220 that I took out of the ATM, which is probably a little bit lower. Here it is. I started a little early at the $1. So 220 is right there. So I can make that bright green as red because we paid that. So let's see what we have. We have $40 for the gym that we didn't pay, which we'll talk about. And then we have everything else in bright green except the buffer, which is fine. It's fine. So we're going to make that buffer 0 right now to see, and we're going to clear that just to see where we're at. Reset. Now, to the other two things that we saw, which is amazing. So $10.35, you guys, excuse me, came from Amazon. Like, I have had Amazon links or associate links for years and have yet to get a payout ever. Because I think clearly you have to make at least $10 to get a payout. And I made $10.35. I mean, come on, Jesus. Glory to God, because we needed that $10.35. I didn't even know. I saw an email. Usually the emails come to me and they say, you did not get a payout for this cycle for Amazon. All the time. That's all I always see. And I'm like, I don't even know why these people keep my account open. So when I saw this come over, it was like, you have a payment scheduled for Amazon. I said, who? Excuse me, what? Really, really. So when I saw it hit my account, I was like, "Oh my god!" I know y'all probably like, "Girl, it's $10." Hello, hello. It is $10, and whoever bought my stuff with my links, I love you very much, and I appreciate you. Okay, because you don't get a big percentage. So I'm just like, I'll take what I can get. Okay, I am very excited. Okay, about this. Where is my mouse? Okay. All right, so we had $10.35 of miscellaneous money. So let's add that in. $10.35. Thank you very much, Amazon. And let's leave ourselves a note. I get excited because, small beginnings, baby. Small beginnings. And then 4 cents of interest for us. So we'll add 4 cents to that for the end of the month because the month just ended. And we will make sure we plus interest. Good. So that's everything basically that came out of the bank account. And it says we have $52.99. So let's see if we actually have $52.99. So now the buffer is $12.99. And that's back to a zero base budget. And we'll make this a tannish color. We have $12.99 in the buffer. And we still have $40 that we didn't pay to the gym. So we have $52.99 and we match. Yay! We love it when we match, right? It's a blessing. So $52.99 is what we have left. Excited. Here goes the bad news, guys. And I might just make a separate video on it because I want to show y'all. I could just tell y'all the breakdown. Y'all know that we paid. It's like debt confession time. We paid off the Discover the other day. Yay, we paid off the Discover. Honey, why does Discover have 300 something dollars back on it? Ask me. Ask me why. Now, we had decided that the Discover card was going to be used for, like we use our Capital One now, for any like sinking fund things like medical and things like that. And that's how it started off because I put my allergy medicine on it and stuff like that. And that's okay. We have stuff in medical. This is the breakdown of that bill. You can't see it. And that's why I was wondering if I should do a separate video. You can't see it. So I'm just going to read it to you because I broke it down. For snacks and eating out, we went $50.56. Okay, why? And then we had, so now it's weird because the most money came out of giving to people. I spent $152.90 giving. Clearly, I really wanted to give, but I also have to remember, girl, you don't have the money. Your budget is negative every week. God, please help me. But like, I just couldn't stop giving. So like, I gave for a fundraiser for somebody's kid. It was $39.75. There was a fundraiser. I spent I spent $23.39 making party favors for my niece's birthday. I bought my coworker a birthday lunch, $28.53. I bought my $15.11 because I went and picked up donuts for my niece's birthday, another $15.50 for another set of donuts, one Krispy Kreme, one Dunkin' Donuts. These were requested of me. And then her birthday breakfast was $18.61. Then they asked me to pick up breakfast. And then shipping an item to someone in YouTube that I asked them if they wanted it, $12.01. I didn't know shipping an item would be this expensive. I have no regrets. I have no regrets in doing any of these, you guys. Nada, zero zip, but I don't know where I'm getting the money from. I just wanted y'all to know that I wasn't just out here willy-nilly spending money like on myself. So the bulk of the money was giving. And then I do have like a $60 worth of $50, $60 worth of medical because I bought allergy medicine and things like that. I have maybe like 40 56 yeah, like $40 worth of like household stuff. I bought spices for the kitchen, things like that. And then like Febreze and stuff like that. And then I spent only $21.04 on decor. Or my humble home, but my humble home only has like $13 in it. So what I've decided to do, guys, and now the good thing about this is kind of like I don't think this particular card has any interest until towards the end of November. So we've got time to pay it off. But my solution to this is I wanted to get more reward back points. No, we're not doing it. We're not doing it. Whatever rewards I'm going to get back is what I'm going to get back. I can't afford to do this again. So, and I'm not taking it out my emergency fund. I'm not doing that because clearly doing that was the easy way out and I didn't feel it enough. And right now I feel it and I don't love this. Okay. So I'm going to just pay it off and aim to pay it off by November. How I'm going to do that, firstly, is easy with the medical. I'm going to move over the $50 from medical that needs to pay. And then I'm also going to not go to Zumba, y'all. So that's kind of like, you know how they say some people can't hear, they have to feel. Well, I can't hear, I have to feel. That might be a Jamaican thing, but yeah. So now feeling is this $40. So now this $40 is coming out of Zumba and we're not paying for Zumba for the month of October. We're going to have to figure out, I'm going to have to figure out how to work out at home. That's it. Like I have to, this is what happens when you don't do for me, this is me talking to me. This is what's going to happen if you don't do what you say you're going to do. So now $40 needs to go here instead. Okay. Now I'm not going to penalize my little extra $12.99 to the credit card. This $12.99 is about to get transferred over to my emergency fund because that's what we're supposed to be saving for. This $12 and what's it 99 cents? Y'all know. Yeah. $12.99 is going to the emergency fund. Boom, success. Come on, success. And we'll move that $12.99 to emergency fund. We'll add an equal and we'll say plus $12.99. So $37.99 went to that. We'll make that 0. We'll move this to reset. So we're back at a zero base budget. And yeah, this is not completely, we'll check this next time because I'm just going to call this one closed because I'm going to go ahead and make $40, but I'm also going to go right now, success, please move your face. And I'm going to transfer. See, now we just have $40 left there. I'm going to, why is my face so big? I'm going to transfer from medical. Where's medical? Health is wealth. It shouldn't be that far. Or maybe it's at the bottom. Health is wealth. Where are you? All right, we're going to take $50 out of there. Hello. And this is going to be for zero pick. I did put that on the Discover card. How do you spell Zyrtec? Oh. And send it to the Tara's Major Keys one time today. Submit. Success. All right. And so that'll be $90. Now I'm going to put y'all on hold and I'm going to see if I can log into my Discover card and make a $90 payment. And then I'm going to take that card out my bag. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it, but yeah, yes, you can. So here's our confirmed payment has been successfully confirmed. Confirmation number, $90 out of my checking account, blah, 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 10-1. Okay, so this should clear itself in a minute. Let me update our information on our thing because rollover transfers, we transferred over $50 from medical. And so this was actually $90. And that can remain orange, and we're still at a zero base budget because it's orange because it has not cleared yet. And there it is. No Zumba, and we just have to put that money. Now, I'm going to take the card out, but I think that I do have one more pending transaction on that card. So the balance is actually more like $350 maybe. Lord help us. But we'll get there when we get there. I think we're just gonna have to like split what we're sailing towards the emergency fund with paying the credit card. If that's my fault, I have to hurt. You know what I mean? Like I have to feel it. Like I have to feel it in order not to do it again. Unfortunately, that in this situation seems to be it. And I'm not saying that everybody doesn't make mistakes, but I'm just being honest. There was a point where I wasn't even going to tell y'all. I was just going to keep paying and just paying it down slowly. But let's be real. Let's be honest. Not everybody is going to get it right the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth time. All that matters is you reset and do the right thing the best that you can going forward. So this is my breakdown, and I know where things need to come from and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep saving. We just paid $90, so let's say the balance is that we have 260 to go. Oh, kills me every time. But we have until November to have interest free, and then just go hustle. But that's the truth and that's the facts and that's the debt confession. Not too much to talk about there, just trying to be open, honest, and transparent with you all. But that is the closeout of our paycheck number 2. Looking forward to paycheck number 1 of October and praying we're not super negative, but that includes student loan payment. So I don't know how that's going to work out, y'all. Anyway, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I truly do appreciate you. I hope I don't lose anybody because I spent money on a credit card, overspent on a credit card. Hold on, let me grab that right now. Let's take that out the bag. Okay, babes, here are our 3 babes. Hey, loves. These are going to be our 3 cards that we normally use. This is Discover. It's coming out. This is the Saver. It's coming out. Only one we're keeping is a Quicksilver. And that's going to be for emergencies. And it really is going to be for anything that needs to come out of like a sinking fund. Yeah, we're going to have to keep it like that for now. I'm going to take these and put these away because, baby, we can't be trusted. We can't be trusted right now. Don't get me wrong. This is not going to be something that's going to be forever. Like I'm going to go back to using credit cards. But right now for me, this is the season of saving and paying things off. And right now using a credit card ain't it, fam. We're going to have a lot. We're going to have to go back to if I want something, we start saving for it in cash. It's just what it is right now. Will it be like that forever until I get myself under control? Yes. But when I get myself under control, I love my credit card rewards and points. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, always be great. You have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. I hope that you're paying your debt off and being realistic and honest and giving yourself grace. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, always be great. You have to be grateful. I said that already. And I'm so grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.